Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're in the kitchen, you guys. We're going to make us a good pot of collard greens. That's right, southern collard greens. Yes, we're going to make us a good pot of that. Well, I don't know if I'm going to show you the cornbread, but he definitely will know that when it's done. Because I'm just using simply Jiffy mix. But anywho, come on in the kitchen. So guys, I have some fresh clean neck bones right here. Now you can refer to the video right here that's in the description. It's going to show you how I clean my neck bones. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to get us a pot, right? So here are my neck bones, nice and clean. I'm going to set them aside because I'm going to get my pot. You guys, now when it comes to collard greens, a lot of people like to drown their collard greens, right? They drown them. I don't like to drown my collard greens. I like to put enough in as far as water, enough to cover the meat. That's it. I try to cover the meat, not all the way, but majority of it. Because collard greens and any type of green that you have is gonna make its own juice, right? So I'm gonna put this on medium, and I'm gonna let this boil with the lid on, and I'm gonna let it boil approximately maybe a half an hour at most. So guys, check out the neck bones. They've been boiling for approximately half an hour. Now, typically, wait a minute. For y'all who know, I'm trying not to wake the baby up. But anywho, look, they are good and tender. Yes. But I want them to fall off the bone, right? So, we're going to take these out, because I'm going to put my greens that has been washed in. I'm going to take my greens out. And if you notice, my water is a lot clearer, right, than the average water. You have to admit it, right? Okay, so we got our collards that has been washed, and we're going to smudge them right on in here. Smudge them right on in there, just like that. Wait 1 minute. Okay guys, so I'm back. I had to go check on the baby. But anywho, you let them cook on down, right? Just let them cook on down. Now we got some more greens we're going to put on top of here. And it's the last of our greens, right? We're going to put these on in. Because I was working with three bundles of greens. Yeah, just like that. Okay? 3 bundles of greens, you guys. That's all it is for our size of family. I don't know about your size, but my size. And it is so simple to make. And we're going to add us some black pepper on here, right? And add us some black pepper. Some soul food seasoning. I found this and I just had to try it. Okay, soul food seasoning, we're going to put that in there. Now, by all means, add whatever seasoning you like. I'm not going to tell you what not to add. because only you can make your food good. Now this is garlic powder. Garlic powder. Bought it in a pack. I was making some seafood boils. You know, because every now and then your girl will sell a seafood boil, right? You know, so we have that in there. And we're going to go ahead and smudge neck bones back up on here. I know I touched that with my hand, and it's okay because these are my greens for the week. Yes, for the week. As you can tell, my meat fell off the bone, right? The bone slid right out of it. But anywho, now the key to this Southern collard green video is some cooking oil. Now this was some pork chop oil that I had, and I like to just add me some oil in it. But then I don't know, you know, how not to cook it with a little oil, right? Because I was taught that. And we're just going to go ahead and let that cook. Now, I would add Goya. But I'm just going to go with the simple ingredients of what I was raised on, basically. Because this channel is to bring you recipes that's quick and easy and simple and delicious. You guys, you don't have to run out and buy expensive things to make your meal with. You know, you can just make it with the simple ingredients at home that you have, and I promise they will turn out delicious, you guys. So if you're viewing me for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, come join your girl. I would love to show you different recipes. Always check my playlist because all recipes are slightly different, from the seasoning to how you prepare it. And when I tell you, I bring you nothing but the best from me to you, that's what this channel is all about. It's not where I've been, it's where I'm at now. You guys, where I'm at now. So, hold on. We're going to see the finishing product. Guys, look at that delicious pot of greens. You guys, I just let it cook on down in the position that you saw me close the lid. Now, these greens, believe it or not, is done. Look at there. The meat is nice and tender. Yes, right. And oh my goodness. Now, you can add you some crushed peppers, whatever you like. But guys, check it out. You guys, today's dinner. If you like this video, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing. I'm making simple, delicious, easy recipes on this channel. You guys, that straight fell off the bone. So the bone is somewhere up in there. Yes. And then we have some delicious cornbread over here. We have some delicious cornbread over here, you guys. Let me get that for you, in case you cannot see it. Yes, that's that delicious Jiffy cornbread, you guys. I didn't feel like making it from scratch. But until then, you guys, like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And yes, always check out my playlist for diabetics or just a simple, easy recipe, you guys. I have multiple easy recipes. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Sending much love from my house to yours.